Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends, in this video, I am going to tell you about which type of care to be taken for best development of sheep flock. This is most important. The male sheep is called as ram. So, how to select a good ram? It is most important. Because development of sheep flock is entirely depend on good race rams. Therefore, proper care should be taken at the time of selection of ram only. Therefore, 18 months old ram should be selected. Its muscle should be very strong. It should be very active and healthy. Some sheep produce twins in every birth. Therefore, it is advisable to select a ram from such breeds. Now, regarding female sheep. The female sheep is called as an ewe. So, how to select a good female sheep? It is also most important. The female sheep must possess full female characteristics. It should be young and between 1 to 1.5 years of age. Its weight must be 30 to 32 kgs. There shall be no wool or hair on its face. It should be ensured that its breasts must be fully grown and soft, and there shall be no wounds or stiffness on it. More importantly, altogether, it should look very healthy. So, apart from these precautions, some more precautions should be taken. That is, if you are starting 100 plus per unit, you make it 2 parts. In first part, you select 50 sheep which has already conceived. So if you select already conceived sheep, it means it may conceive in next time also and it will produce sheep. It must be ensured. You must inquire with the farmer where you are purchasing, whether it is conceived or not. If it is conceived, next time also it will definitely conceive, inshallah. So regarding second part, you have to purchase 50 sheep which is already pregnant. If it is pregnant at the time of purchase means after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, it will definitely deliver a sheep. Like that, you can ensure that whatever the sheep flock you are purchasing, it will produce further sheep in a good manner. So if you take this kind of basic precautions, your farm will run successfully, inshallah. So dear friends, please take all care while selection of sheep, and you all the best. Thank you.